Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you the beautiful things that I made using the Sophie and Toffee Gem and Jewel Pixie box. I thought that this was a fantastic box. There were so many things inside. I almost couldn't even decide what I was going to actually make, but I settled on 3 pairs of earrings and the beautiful jewelry box. Now you'll see that I'm wearing some rather funky rings in this video. You can get them yourself at glitterbubble.co.uk. That's my very own resin accessory store, in case you didn't know. These are the items that we got inside of the Pixie box. As I said, there were so many things. Take a look at these. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I took the gold powder and I was just smudging it randomly into the mold. I wasn't really thinking at all about my placement. I just wanted it to be, I suppose, slightly chaotic. Beautifully chaotic, I guess. It's a very different style for me, and I just wanted to try out something new. Next, I'm using the glitters that we got in the box, and I'm also adding in my favorite confetti from Larissy. This one has the little cherry blossoms and the little petals. I absolutely love it. And then I'm finishing it off with some fine glitter to match, and also some gold leaf inside of the pink mixture as well. I think it's fairly obvious which set of earrings here are my favorites. It's this one. Okay, I love me some cherry blossoms, and I just thought they looked absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with the way that these turned out. I mean, you could just wear them just like that if you wanted to, but I did want to actually dome these just to give them that extra bit of sparkle and shine. I stand by it, the pink ones are still my favorite. So I bought this resin pad, and it's specifically made for when you are doming your pieces. It's got little like buttonhole molds as well, and it's got scalloped edges so you can link them together if you need to have like a bigger surface area. Please don't watch my doming technique, because I wasn't the best in this portion of the video. I got a little bit too trigger happy with it, but anyway, I fixed it all. And by the way, the mat worked very well. What do we think of them now though? Don't they just look absolutely stunning? When you dome your pieces, it really does make the glitter pop. Let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite pair, pink, purple or blue. I had to make a little jewelry box for them because I just needed somewhere to put them, to be perfectly honest. Now Sophie and Toffee did give me this crystal color pack, very apt name. So I used the pink and the white from that. I used some of their white gold pigment from a box ages ago, and I wanted to try and make a sort of like rose quartz sort of vibe. I'm using a split cup that I got from Larissy, and it really did help. I think next time I use a split cup, I'll make sure that all of my resin levels are level, because it kind of meant that they didn't all come out at the same time, and that made it a little bit difficult to get the effect that I wanted. That being said, I was still very, very happy with the end results. So yeah, have a look at this. Let me know what you think. I mean, I was just blown away by just how gorgeous that this actually is. So I couldn't resist it. I love it too much. I've now put this jewelry box up on my website, glitterbubble.co.uk. You can get it in any color that you like. Just go ahead and grab one, because you need it in your life. You just do. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I hope that you did. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.